Many schools in the UK use Arbor, SIMS, isams or Bromcom and are choosing 3CX as their chosen telephony platform because of the way the two can be integrated together effortlessly. In this short video, we'll show you why. When a call is received from a parent or guardian, 3CX will automatically match the caller's number to a student record. The associated student record will be screen popped, providing instant access to the student's details, eliminating any issues related to spelling, whilst ensuring a swift response. The call activity will also be logged. In addition to direct MIS integration, additional value can be provided to those frontline staff members answering calls by layering Protel Pro over the top. Using this method, staff will be alerted to any safeguarding concerns retrieved from the MIS at the point of call, helping staff to handle the call more effectively. Here you will be presented with all linked students, their names, registration forms, relationship to the caller, and whether the caller has parental responsibility, emergency contact, and authorised to collect status. There is a quick link to the student's record directly in the MIS. Access to write back to CPOM's safeguarding and monitoring tool is provided, and the ability to efficiently log attendance is provided, allowing staff to specify which lessons will be missed along with the absence reason. All communication history is read from and written to the MIS and is displayed to easily review and optionally add any additional notes. Notifying staff members of absences is a SIMS via the Notify Staff of Call button, allowing any relevant information taken on the call to be quickly and easily passed on. Via the SMS tab, staff members can also confirm with the caller any details via a text message. This utilises the Government UK Notify service, which is available to any school in the UK. This service offers the first 5,000 text messages for free, along with the lowest per message rate of 2.5p thereafter. A click-to-call link is also available to facilitate an outbound callback to the caller. Clicking on the student's name will open the student's profile page, providing further student detail like their timetable and contact details. At the top, attendance writebacks will confirm all marks that have been successfully written back to the MIS. Some schools elect to record student absences via voicemail. When using this method, voicemails are automatically linked to the student's records associated with the caller, transcribed using speech-to-text AI, then made available for review prior to adding a mark. The Comms tab at the top allows bulk messages to be sent via SMS. A typical use might be to remind all parents with children in a particular year group about a pending event.